How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice show quality 67 C10 Custom. This truck had a complete frame off restoration, done its factory light blue. Gorgeous truck. So all the grill moldings, excellent shape. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. This got the rear big back window. Truck's real straight, flat, slick down the sides. You have to bear with us. The clouds kind of keep coming and going today. It's about 11 degrees out. Very nicely done truck. It's got the Blazer rear bumper on it. Nice tonneau cover, rail type, so there's no snaps or anything in the body. A sliding rear window. It's got the dual mirrors. All underneath the hood is very nicely detailed. It's got a 300 horse, 327 aluminum intake and Holley, all electronic ignition. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering. It's got vintage AC and heat. Very nicely done. It's all heavy duty cooling system in it. It's got the 2-inch drop spindles in the front, lowering coils in the rear. All the jambs and everything are painted very nice. Very nice job doing the AC vents in the dash. It's got tilt wheel. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans in it. 12 bolt posi rear. Nice cloth bench seat. Gorgeous truck. Fuel tank's been moved to the rear. They did the Blazer tank. Got the filler there. Very nicely, tastefully done. Got the AM/FM stereo with iPod capability. All inside. The cab's painted just as nice as the outside of the truck. Very nicely done. Thing fires right up. Tell you, these 67 front ends are just the coolest truck in the world. They did the duals all the way out the back with a nice little turn down tip. It's a very nice truck. Paint work on this truck is just near perfect. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. And due to the road conditions today, we won't be going out on the main road with it. Have a great day, folks.